Let's talk about what Didit actually costs. Most verification vendors hide their pricing behind a sales call, but Didit puts everything out into the open so you can work out your own costs before you ever sign up. So let's head over to the pricing page and break it all down. Okay, so let's start right here on the pricing page. And notice I didn't have to log in to see any of this pricing. Didit publishes every price openly, which most vendors simply won't do. The model is simple. You start free and you pay per successful check for only the modules that you turn on. And you can scale all the way to enterprise on the same account. And every module's price is listed here with no minimums and no contracts to begin. And you're charged only for the checks that you actually run, so you can compare the cost of each check before you ever sign up. So as you can see here, there's 3 plans. And the thing to understand is that you pick by volume and the terms that you need, not by features, because the same modules are available on every plan. So there's 3 tiers. There's free, there's usage-based, and there is enterprise. Free gives you 500 verifications every month, plus block list and duplicate detection checks on every session. Usage-based is pay-per-use across dozens of modules with no monthly minimum fee. An enterprise adds a custom master service agreement, an SLA for large volumes and regulated programs. So you're choosing by volume and terms, and the same checks, they're on all 3. Now, if we take a look at the free plan, this is a real production tier. This is not a sandbox. It costs $0 a month and needs no credit card. And several anti-fraud checks are already included on every session at no cost. So every session is screened against your block lists for free. Duplicate detection catches the same person signing up twice, which is matched on the vendor data ID that you send over, and over 200 device and IP fraud signals get analyzed on every session, again at no cost. So it's a free tier that you can genuinely run in production. You get 500 free verification credits every month, and I'm going to show you the features that you can do that on in just a second. So if we go into Didit and we check out the workflows, and let's say we open up a new workflow, we do user verification, we do simple workflow, start from scratch. You're going to see the pricing of each of the modules. So you can see ID verification, 500 free per month, liveness, 500 free, and face match, 500 free. And also I mentioned earlier, the device and IP analysis, again, you get 500 free verifications. So the allowance resets on the 1st of each month. And while unused checks don't roll over, you always get a fresh 500 and it's permanent, not a time-limited trial. So that's 500 free identity checks a month forever. Now, if we take a look at the usage-based plan here in the middle, so when you outgrow your free tier, you move to usage-based, the pay-per-use plan. It's the same account, no migration, you just start paying for what you run beyond the free allowance. It's essentially pay as you go across dozens of modules. So again, if we go back into the workflow, we could see what modules that we're going to need to pay for straight out the gate and which modules we're going to have to pay for after we've used up our 500 free credits. So you can turn whatever modules on or off that you want to use in your verification flows, and you'll only pay for the successful checks that a user goes through. So that's why we see at the top here, we've got a price from $0 to 15 cents. And if we click on the pricing, we can see how this workflow is priced. So you see, you only pay for the steps that actually run. So if somebody enters the workflow and leaves immediately or after that first check, you're not going to pay anything because the first check is the ID verification, which is free. You're not going to pay anything because the ID verification, you get 500 free. Okay. And after that, it's only going to be 15 cents. So that's going to be the maximum cost of this workflow. And it's the same for KYB, so the business verification. So if we go into a KYB workflow, we can take a look at some of the modules inside of there. If we zoom in here, we could see the registry check, $2. The KYB is variable because it's going to depend on how many people we need to verify on that step. We've got the AML screening. If we want to add in any additional checks, we can do that here. And just know this AML screening is 20 cents per check, but that runs people against over 10,000 data sets covering sanctions, PEPs, adverse media. So the only other module that is variable on cost is the database validation. So if we add that node into here, we click database validation, and you see the panel that opens up here on the right. You can see we can select whichever database validation we want to run, and this is country specific and database specific. You can see if we want to run a credit check, it's going to cost us more than checking the consumer data, for example. But the cool thing is you can see the cost of absolutely every check in here. So you're not going to be surprised when somebody runs through this workflow and you're wondering, why is this costing so much? The price is going to appear up at the top here. And you can see it is variable. It just depends on how far somebody gets through this step. So if I select a database in here, you can see it's going to give us a price down here. So the only other thing that I haven't mentioned here is the white labeling. So if you want to set up the white labeling, we can turn that on. It's going to cost 20 cents per verification. And you can see when we toggle this on, the price at the top, it's going to change. So this is going to consider the cost of absolutely everything inside of this workflow. You can see custom branding, extra 20 cents. So with Didit, there are no minimums, there's no contract on the self-serve plans, and there's nothing to commit up front. So if you spend nothing in a quiet month, your account stays open, and with the free 500 a month still available. So if you spend nothing in a quiet month, your account stays open with the free 500 a month credits still available. The usage plan has no monthly floor, no platform fee, no seat fee, so your bill is exactly your usage and nothing more. You might be wondering how the prices come in this low. You see, Didit runs its own optimized verification infrastructure with sub 2-second inference. And that's why a complete identity check from about 30 cents is typically 70 to 80% cheaper than comparable providers for the same checks. And because it's all published openly, you can compare line by line instead of negotiating a hidden quote. So for large volumes and regulated programs, there's Enterprise. It gives you custom pricing with volume discounts on top of the public per module rates. You also get access to a dedicated Slack channel, the WhatsApp channels, with manual reviewers on demand, and reseller and white label terms with 4 deployed engineers who build alongside you. At high volume, the team genuinely recommends it because they like working closely with customers to fit into their flows and improve their KPIs. So if you're running serious volume here, that's the conversation to have. So let's head over to the billing section inside of our dashboard here. The bottom here, we have our current balance. This is where you're going to get billed from. So you're going to need a prepaid balance to use Didit. Now, as you can see here, there are discounts depending on how much you decide to top up. You can also set the auto recharge function as well, so you can keep running your checks without your balance going to zero. So if we head over to the settings tab here, we can head over to billing. And again, we've got options to top up. We've got previous deposit history in here as well. And the amount that you top up in here, your credits, they never expire. So if you need your invoices for your accounting team, you can just come in here and download them. So if we head over to the usage tab, this is where you're going to see exactly where your credits go. So you can see the spend breakdown module by module, and you can filter by date range at the top here and by application. So if you have multiple applications, you can see which application is spending on which checks. So the whole thing is refreshingly simple. You start free every month and you only pay for the checks that you actually use. And the credits that you buy, they don't expire. So there's no contracts, no hidden fees, and you can see every price for yourself before you commit a penny. Honestly, the best way to know your real number is to just start using it. So head over to didit.me, sign up for free, and run your first verification in a couple of minutes today.